Hey guys, so it's Sunday morning, it's raining. It's not coming down hard enough to have an umbrella up, but it is coming down hard enough to be annoying. I'm walking to my car. I got one show today, and then I gotta come back up, study for a midterm, and get a voiceover done to send in for an audition. So, busy day, but I'm gonna just move. I'm gonna get the vlog done so I can get it uploaded, and then, yeah, I'll keep you guys posted as I journey and adventure on, and hopefully I'll get to show you guys a bunch of cool stuff. Alright, I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace. Hey guys, so I just got out of the show. I was so surprised because two of my friends, Kathleen and Annalisa, from Parish Done Carol, which is a show I did when I was a senior in high school, came to see my show, which means the world, because, like, I know theater's expensive, and so having people come see me in this really does just warm my heart. It's so amazing. I love the people that are in my life. They're incredible people. It's Sunday, so I'm off to church. Get a little centering in my life before I head back up to school. And then, yeah, back up to school to finish off the night and get some homework done. So I will keep you guys posted, and I will talk to you later. Hey guys, let me get all the way on so you can see me. It's the end of the night. That's harsh. It's the end of the night. I'm back on campus. I just parked. It's raining. Church went well. It was nice. Nice centering. And yeah, now I just get to start my school week. I get to study for a midterm tomorrow, so I'm going to go do that. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Later. Hey guys, it is Monday. I had a midterm today, which went actually pretty well. And I am now going to hop in my car and go to New York for an acting class, which is going to be fun. I like being able to act a little bit. I just found out I have an audition on Thursday, which is going to be nice. And yeah, just living life, making moves, doing the norm. So I'll keep you guys posted as I journey and let you know how class goes. Hey guys, so sorry for the radical time cut. As you can see, I'm home. I had my class. I was going to talk to you guys immediately after, but I kind of had to sprint to Grand Central so I could make my train. I don't like to do these on the train because there are other people and they're trying to sleep. But I got home. I had a really great time in class. I'm saying a lot tonight. I really feel like I need to continue working on these things that I went over in class, because sometimes I feel like I hear things and then don't put them into practice. So that's something I'm really going to try and work on with this audition, especially on Thursday. I'm going to try and take all the things that I learned tonight and really apply it. So that's that. I'm going to go to bed because I have an 8:30. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon. Peace out. Greetings, everybody. It is Wednesday. I'm here with Mikey. We are walking to my car because I have two shows. I had my advising meeting this morning, so I got to talk about what my schedule for next semester is. 20 credit gang, woo woo! Right, Mike? Yeah. Halloween was yesterday. It was a lot of fun. We hung out, relaxed, went to bed. Yeah. Just living life. About to enjoy these two shows, and I will keep you guys posted as the day continues. Peace out. Hey guys. So I didn't really get the chance to talk to you in between shows, because I was getting food and I was sleepy, so I kind of really dazed. But I wanted to give you this quick update. The first show went well. I realized I was low energy because I hadn't eaten all day, so I ate a lot. I had some Five Guys. And now we're getting ready to go out for show number 2. So I'm gonna go get dressed and do my pre-show workout and put paint on my feet. And then I'm gonna do the show, and I'm gonna go home and probably watch a little Neo Yokio and then go to bed. So I'll talk to you guys after the show, let you know what I'm doing. Peace out, and I will see you soon. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm at Grand Central. I took a cab because I was trying to make an earlier train, but I missed it. seat, so that's a plus. So I'm gonna do that. The second show went well. I can talk to you guys a little bit more about it when I get home. It went well, you know that, and the rest of this check out. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm home. And because it's Wednesday night, it's the end of this episode. I have an audition tomorrow and the show tomorrow, so I'm gonna have a bunch of time to edit. And I'm gonna get it up for you by then. And yeah, it's been a good first half of the week. Living life and making moves, and thanks for watching, I guess. Let me know if there's anything y'all want me to change. Because, like, I'm just kind of doing this. So, talk to you guys later. Hope you have a fantastic week. And I'll see you very soon.
I feel so lonely, man, I cannot breathe. My heart's encased in misery.